Judiciary for Edo State don throw full support give Governor Monday Okpebholo for the strong way dey tackle cultism and kidnapping wey dey disturb the peace for the state. Dis one shele for Government House, Benin City, when Chief Judge of Edo State, Honourable Justice Daniel Yobosa Okungbowa, lead judges and lawyers for one courtesy visit to the governor. Governor Okpebholo come hail the relationship wey dey between the executive and the judiciary, say dem dey always respond sharp anytime e need legal advice. E come still talk say the fight against cultism and kidnapping no be joke, say e need their help sake of say all dis wahala dey pursue investment and dey affect Edo children future. Say dem must bring am down by force. Governor Okpebholo come also remind dem say im don already sign 2 new laws to tackle the matter head-on, wey be the Secret Court and Similar Activities Prohibition Law 2025 and the Kidnapping Prohibition Amendment Law 2025. The laws impose strict penalties wey be mandatory 10 years prison for anybody wey hide cultists, 21 years if cultists injure person or destroy property, and death penalty for kidnappers wey kpai their victims. Oga Governor come also vow say im administration go support the judiciary to address critical institutional needs wey also include the recruitment of more judicial staff.
I appreciate the relationship that has been existing between us. I find it very cordial because sometimes when I want to get some advice, I call on you and find out how to go about it, which I have actually enjoyed over a period of time. I call for this meeting for me to get familiar with you people, because it's very nice for me to know you one-on-one, and for you also to know that there is a bond between the executive and the judiciary. I feel that is very, very important. Then too, to also let you know that there's a fight against cultism, and I'm taking it very, very seriously, and I need your cooperation. Reasons for this is that we need to keep Edo safe. If I may open my phone to show you people in their home, somebody was walking and shot him on his head. And to me, this will not be a very good testimony to Edo State. It's a setback in terms of economic development. And I feel that we need to keep this state very safe. I believe under my watch, I should be able to bring it down to the barest minimum so that we can feel safe. Our children in diaspora can come home. Those that want to invest can invest. It's one of the major reasons why I said it will also be nice for us to sit down and discuss this together. But, your request about the vehicles, I saw that request, and government is not just a rocket science. I feel that the due process of procurement, we should follow it, and we started on it. I think we are trying about 5 of the vehicles so that for the employment, if you want to employ, you can go ahead to do that. If you need my support, I'm here, I will support.
Earlier for the meeting, the Chief Judge Okungbowa raised concern about lack of staff for judiciary, say many don japa, and say the governor agree say the thing serious and promise to recruit more people make court work go smoothly. The Chief Judge and his team come promise say judiciary go stand gidigba with the governor to chase criminals comot from Edo land.
I enjoyed every bit of it, and very like at least to ask for a few more things. I recall that I wrote to Your Excellency after I visited the correctional centers and their challenges, particularly with vehicles. In fact, not too long ago, they wrote to me to say that very soon they may not be able to bring suspects to court. Maybe they bring some to high court on Monday to Wednesday, and then Thursdays and Fridays to the lower courts. That was not good enough because it will not go well for the administration of criminal justice. So I said, okay, as a stopgap, while waiting for the executive to act, I took it upon myself to try and fix one of their vehicles. So as we speak, their vehicle is with one of our mechanics trying to fix it for their use. So I'll use this opportunity to appeal to the SRC to look seriously into that issue. The other issue is in relation to the shortage of staff in the judiciary. Before I came to the judiciary, there was already shortage, and since I came, not less than 300 staff have either retired, resigned, jackpot, or died. So they need to replace them. So we have also written, I don't know if that letter has got into the SNC, but we have written for permission to employ. And we have also noted in the letter that a lot of it has been captured in this year's appropriation. So not any disadvantage to the executive.
With judiciary and executive government now dey reason alike, Governor Okpebholo don make am clear say dis war against cultism and kidnapping no go stop halfway, say Edo no be place for cultist, kidnapper or anybody wey wan scatter peace, and the fight no be one-man show. Say na all of us go make Edo safe again, and any person wey no wan hear word, prison or worse dey wait am. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Judiciary, TMC News.